Good morning, students. Next concept, we are discussing the concept that is one meaning of accounting standards. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಸಿ, before moving to the meaning, first we clearly understand the concept of accounting. Accounting, as you know, from the beginning of first PUC and second PUC, and also the first year financial accounting, you studied. Accounting is in a classification, summarizing, determining, right? Journal entries, right? These are all accounting. Accounting standards. A standard means a generally accepted mode, model, or an ideal. Generally accepted model or an ideal. This accounting standard means generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accounting accepted principles. See, universally accepted accounting standards. Everyone should accept principles, accounting principles. Accounting standards are written documents containing the generally accepted accounting principle (GAAP) issued by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. See, generally accepted accounting principle. Point number 2, generally accepted, everyone. Accounting principles. This GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle, issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ ಜನರಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ, ಚಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ICAI, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. There are the 32 accounting standards in India as on date. ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ there is a totally 32 accounting standards. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ 32 accounting standards ಇದೆ. The main objective of accounting standards. What is the main objective? What is the main goal or main objective of accounting standard? Is to standardize the different accounting policies and practice followed by the different business concern. See, standardize the different accounting policies and practice followed by the different business concern. ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಸಹ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. Accounting Standard Board (ASB), set up in 1977 by ICAI, prepares accounting standard. The Accounting Standard Boards ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ, this was established in the year of 1977 by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. The Central Council of the ICAI notified the final standards after consultations and discussions. The Central Council of the ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, notify the final standards after consultation and discussions. What is the considerations? The Indian laws, customs, and business environment. See, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಲಾಗೆ, ಭಾರತದ ಕಾನೂನಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಭಾರತದ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು. International accounting standards given by IASB, International Accounting Standard Board, IASB, International Accounting Standards Board. Purpose and limitations of the published final accounts. ಅದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿಟ್ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್, ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಹ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಏನೇನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್? Number 1, reduce variations in the accounting treatment. Reduce variations in accounting treatments. ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ advantages of accounting standards ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ reduce the variations in the accounting treatment, additional disclosures, helps to comparisons. Limitations of accounting standards. What are the disadvantages or limitations of accounting standards? Difficult to choice. Mechanical work. Mechanical. Different from law. See, different from law means ಕಾನೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. Next, some important accounting standards we are discussing. Some important, not all the 32 accounting standards, just some important. See, number 1, accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policies. Disclosures of accounting policies. This standard deals with the disclosure of significant policies followed in preparing and presenting the final accounts. This standard deals with the disclosure of the significant policies followed in preparing and presenting final accounts. Second point, the accounting policies followed change from concern to concern. See, the accounting standards ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 100% accounting policies also changes. Accounting policy followed changes from concern to concern. See, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The disclosure of accounting policy followed to helps to properly study ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ and compare and judge the figures in final accounts. Final accounts figures ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, accounting standards 1 is a compulsory standard to be followed by all the concerned, whether a firm, proprietorship or company. Firm under any type of industries, in a firm, any type of partnership firm. Partnership firm and proprietorship is different. Proprietorship now, OPC, one person company, and also company, joint stock companies. JACC, joint stock companies, JACC. Next, accounting standard 1, fundamental accounting assumption. Basic ಆಗಿ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್, ಸಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ to year. See, 2019 closing balance, it's an opening balance of next year, 2020. 2020-21 closing balance, 2021-22 opening balance. Going concern means the business continuously every year it's going. Going means not physically going. Every year accounting process will be followed. Next, consistency. Accrual basis. Accrual basis means always assets is equal to liabilities. Liabilities including capital plus other liabilities. The fundamental accounting assumptions are usually not specifically disclosed. Accounting standard 1, accounting policies refers to the specific accounting principles and the methods of applying those principles adopted by the concern in the preparation and presentation of final accounts. Area in which different accounting policy may be adopted for methods of depreciation, treatment of expenditures during the construction, conversions of foreign currencies items, valuation of stock, valuation of goodwill, valuation of investment, treatment of retirement benefits, recognition of profit on long-term contracts, valuation of fixed assets, treatment of contingency liabilities. A concern should select such accounting policies as enable it is to present a true and fair view of its state of affairs. Major factors to be considered while selecting and applying the accounting policy. What are the major factors to be considered while selecting and applying the accounting policies? Prudence, substancy over form, materiality. The accounting standard 1 rules to be followed on disclosure of accounting policies. Any important changes in accounting policy should be disclosed. Such disclosure should be followed from the final account. All policies should be disclosed in one place instead of being scattered at many places in several schedules and notes to the accounts. Any important changes in the accounting policies should be disclosed. The effect of such changes on the value of any item in the final account should also be disclosed. If such amount cannot be ascertained wholly or in part, such fact should be disclosed. Is change likely to have effect not in current but is later years should also be disclosed in the year in which the changes is made. Disclose of accounting policies of changes therein cannot be remained a wrong or improper entry in the accounts. Accounting standard 6 with related to depreciation account. Depreciation is a measure of the wearing out, consumption, or other losses of the value of the depreciable assets arising from use, effluence of time, or obsolescence through technology and market changes. Amortization means depreciation of the assets whose useful life in predetermined. Depreciable assets expected to be used during the more than one accounting period have a limited useful life. Old for use in production, supply of goods and services for rental or administrative purpose, not for the sale. Accounting standard is always deals with the depreciation. Accounting standard 9, revenue recognition. Accounting standard 10, accounting for fixed assets. Thank you.